Everyone, welcome back to Unicorn Activities. Darshana here, and this is a continuity video of our responding skill activities. So there are first three videos which I will be adding in the description. Those parents who haven't watched those videos, please go and check the videos. It is all about our cognitive development, improving child's responding skill. It is very vast, and we have tons of activities. Because if I am giving a short explanation that this is cognitive development, this is about processing speed, so that is not sufficient. Because why? Because many parents are struggling with child's cognitive development, child's responding skills are very poor, or child is taking words to study, the memory recalling is difficult. So all these problems are being faced by parents, and to overcome these problems, we have to work on the cognitive area. So these activities which I've been uploading in this series will be helping with all the problems. These are the remedial solutions that we can apply in our therapy methods. Three videos were on verbal sequencing and what is verbal sequencing, why it is important, how we have to work. All you can understand by watching those previous video. Now the second topic is about reversal. So one example I want to give you so that you could understand what is verbal sequencing and what is reversal. So verbal sequencing means anything that we are asking the child to remember, recall in a sequence. So if it could be ABCD, it could be numbers, it could be tables, or it could be like singing a song. So anything which is there in a sequence, we are teaching the child. The child is by hearting it. It is something like a rote learning, and then you are asking the child to repeat. The child will be repeating. So so this thing is happening in a sequential order. Now under reversal, the things will be happening in a reverse order. So why do we want to teach things in a reverse order? Why it is important means this reversal will be helping the child to focus on the particular task or activity that we are giving. Child has to pay attention to solve the task, and this will be directly helping with the cognitive development. One simple example, very interesting example it is. You could say the child to sing happy birthday song, right? When you're saying the child to sing a happy birthday song, child will sing. When you're telling your child, okay, sing happy birthday, the child will say happy birthday to you, happy birthday to mama, happy birthday to dear mama. So the sequence of the song is like a rote learning. It's there in the child's mind because child must have listened to that multiple times. Or you're telling your child, okay, say ABCD. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. We have done lot of practice to learn this, right? Even in the sleep, if you're calling the child and say sing A, B, C, D, say 1, 2, 3, say A to Z, the child will be telling it without any mistakes. Now the same things if you're telling your child to tell in a reverse order. The process, the speed, the accuracy is what is being important here. Some kids may do it, some kids may not. For some, the meaning of reverse itself will not be familiar. So why this is important means if you have gone through a psychological assessment for a 6-year plus child, you could see that we have a IQ assessment where this question of reversals are being asked. And yes, this comes under the development milestones. The concepts of reversal, saying things in a reverse order, is very important for cognitive development. So next time when you go for a IQ assessment or psychological assessment, please note these kind of questions may be coming to the child, and child must be familiar to this. So yeah, coming to the video. So in this video we'll be learning about reversal. I will be explaining and I'll be sharing few of the activities, and if anyone is new to my channel, please do subscribe, share and like. Past 3 videos, after uploading 3 videos on cognitive development, many parents asked me that how do we work with a non-verbal child in this area, because these are verbal sequencing. So verbally we have to make the child to say. How can a non-verbal child do these concepts? So I said them that in this video I'll be uploading few activities with my students who are non-verbal, and we are working with the help of communicational device. So under communicational device for a non-verbal child, it could be like Avaz, it could be communicational device you can use, it could be PEX, it could be tech devices, it could be technical devices like Avaz, or it can be any other apps for communication we can use, or we can use typing board, or child can write. If your child is non-verbal but child has a learning reading ability, you can make your child to write and do these activities. But I have added a video with my student, so his we have just recently started working on this cognitive development area, and I have added his video here. It's very recently we have started, so he is also at the learning stage only, but you can get an idea that how these activities we can do with a non-verbal child. So like always I tell in my parent support group also, any activities, any areas of language, speech, communication, academic, we do follow for all the kids. There is nothing separate protocol for non-verbal and verbal. Every child has to be achieving all the milestones which is being missed by the child. So all the missing milestones are common for non-verbal or verbal. Just the medium of communication is what is matter here. So do watch all the videos, and let's get into the topic. Responding skill, the second topic. So this is the second topic which we are going to discuss is about reversal verbal sequencing. So initially it was verbal sequencing, now it is reversal verbal sequencing. So what is a reversal verbal sequencing? It is a stage where verbal sequencing, all the verbal sequencing is being done in a reversal order for cognitive development. So things that we do in a reverse order will be helping with cognitive development. So under cognitive development, the areas that we are going to give importance is working memory, increasing processing speed, and maintaining accuracy and speed. So it is not just that child has to tell it in a reverse order, but here we give importance to speed, how quickly the child can process the information and tell, and how much accurate it is. Because usually what happens when we say the things in a reverse order, most of the things get mistake. So mistakes are very common in reversal. So without mistake, child has to do things in an accurate way, and it should be done quickly. Very speed is what been important here. So this is all about reversal. This is all about reversal verbal sequencing. So I hope the meaning of reversal verbal sequencing is being understood here. Now I will be sharing activities here. Both verbal and non-verbal methods of activities would be there with my students. So it would be like, initially you have to use the child to tell with the help of visual clue. So those kids who can do without visual support, please carry on, no need of giving any visual support for them. Visual support means just making them to see the board and read, or writing it in a board or in a notebook, and you're just showing them as a visual support, so they could see and they could tell. Now if your child has learned it, please try to remove all these kind of prompts, visual supports, and let them do it verbally. Okay, those kids who are non-verbal, they can't tell verbally, make sure you are using any kind of communicational device. Here I have used Avaz. My student, he will be using with the help of Avaz, he is doing things in a reversal order. So there are a couple of activities, please do follow it.
Read in the reverse order.
T W It W V Q U T It R E Q B O N N G T I It T F E T E T B A.
Before C.
T B.
B. Okay. What letter is before M? Nidhi, before M?
Yeah.
L. Very good. Nidhi, what letter is before Z?
One.
Okay. Nidhi, what letter before W?
B.
Very good. Good job, Nidhi. Okay. Read the letter and before. What letter is this?
T.
Before T?
U.
Right. Okay. Nidhi, what letter is this?
B.
Before B? Right. Very good.
One.
What? Y? Before Y?
T.
X.
Eight.
Hmm.
Y.
Very good. What letter is this next?
T. B. O.
O.
E.
F க்கு அப்புறம்
G. H. I.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட்லேருந்து
L. O. S. U. X.